Research complete.
Hello friends, my name is Pradeep Kumar. Let's start a new topic about how we can save our data in an Excel sheet. Okay, the extension is .csv. Okay, now this first topic is about how we can write data. Okay, data save in Excel sheet, and I'm say here write data from lab. Okay. Okay, and the next video will be about read data from Excel sheet. Okay, now let's start. First I'm take a word. Okay, now let's start. First right click here and create some numeric. Right now take a silver silver numeric and like numeric control like this. Okay, and other one is like I'm take a string silver and string path like this. Okay, now right now I'm enter here message. Okay, and I'm taking a data or temp data. Okay, temp data like this. Okay, now what you do, right click here and come to data cluster. Okay, now come to silver and let's check it about the cluster. Okay, like this. Okay, now drag these two data on your cluster like this and right click here and come to auto size and click to arrange vertical like this. Okay, now what you do, right click here and change to array like this. Okay, now enter here like the temp is 28 like this. Okay, and the message like your temperature is normal. Okay, like this, like I'm entering directly temp normal like this. Okay, okay, now increase the size. If you need, you can increase. Same this. Like this. Okay. Now let's start to create a programming. First right click here and come to file path and you see write and read. First we need to create a write. Okay, drag here. Okay, now you see there have a 2D and 1D. First we need to create this array into 2D. Okay, then how we can do, help of for loop. Now for loop create here. Yes, now click to index. Okay, this is the indexing. Okay, now what do you do, right click here and come to cluster and we are choose unbundle by name. Okay, choose here unbundle by name. Okay, this array is divided, or we can say separate into every different elements. Okay, in this array have two elements, one is temp data, other is message. Okay, now you see expand like this. Okay, and you see first is temp data and second one is message. Okay, you can change also like help of this message and temp data like this. Okay, but right now first I'm take temp data. Okay, and second one is message. Now we need to create bundle, or we can say build array. Okay, because right now have two different elements we need to bundle. Now what do you do, come to array and you see build array. Okay, build array. Okay, now you see they have two elements. Okay, first what do you do, first this message I'm connect to this terminal. Okay, and second one also a string, but right now our message is, or we can say first element is a numeric. Then how we can convert it, right click and come to string and you see number string conversion and you see number to decimal string. Okay, first choose this option. Okay, because they have a red dot. Okay, corrosion dot. Right now what you do, again change it, and string number to cohesion and number to friction string, like this. I'm choose this one, connect to this terminal, and output connect to this terminal. Okay, now all done. Right click and clean a wire. Same this one, clean a wire. Yes, all done. Yes, now you see appended array. Now click and directly connect to this terminal, and you see it's connected here. Okay, let's clean up. First right click here and come to visible item label. Same this one. Okay, and same this one. Yes, now done. Now what we do, all done. First we need to give a file path, and second one is delimiter. Right now I create a constant and I'm enter comma. Okay, so the final part is file path. Now how we can do this? Right click here and come to file, and you see build path, create here. And first we need to base path. You can create a different way, like you can create a constant or a control. Okay, and right now I'm choose this file path where my this project is saved. Okay, now first I'm save this project. Okay, I already saved. Right now, and come to file path, file constant, and choose application directory. Okay, and connect to this terminal. Okay, now the output is directly connected to here, and you need to enter your file name, right? And you need to enter here your file name. Now I'm entering the data.csv, sorry, data.csv. Okay, not a capital. Data.csv. Now done. And right now what you do, first click to run. Okay, now let's check your file path where you save this file. Now I'm choose this one, and okay, now you see this is my file project file name, and this is our Excel sheet Pradeep data automatic created. Now open this and let's check. Yes, you see our data is saved here, 28 and temp data. Okay, now if we are again run, like I'm let's I give example. If I again change, like I'm enter here 90 and click to run. Okay, and let's see about the what's update. Open, and you see 90 is update on there. Okay, it's like not create a other row. Okay, now how we can do this? If you need to create another row, like you need to store a data. Okay, not a overlap. How you can overcome this problem? Let's first I remove this one. Okay, now you see there are function about append to file. Right now create a constant and you need to convert it to true. Okay, now done. Let's what you do, I'm change the data, I'm change 100 and click to run. Okay, now let's check, and you see new row is created. Okay, it's well done. Now let's take other one example also. I'm change the temp high. Okay, and I'm choose 150. Okay, sorry, 150. Now let's click to run, and let's check it. Okay, now you see it's working very well. Okay, help with this you can easily to write data on your Excel sheet. In the next video we are cover about topic how we can read data from Excel into Tableau. Thank you so much guys. If you like this video, please like and subscribe our channel. Thank you so much.